While we waited for our appointment in the garage, we explored the local area and Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia. We're following a logging trail up into the mountain. Hopefully at the end of it, we've been told there's a really nice waterfall. Good morning, everyone. We're in this little town called Cranny. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and it's already 26 degrees. This really is a pretty little town and everything is really clean. For Saturday, it's not that busy. Snack time. Pastry filled with meat and Gora's got cheese.
Cheese.
These are all local. Really nice. Oh, we found another Land Rover. Camp set up for the night. So we're moving down through Slovenia. We'll call this one Camp 1 because everything is done just for Gloria. There she is at her hammock in the shade of some apple trees. The Land Rover, the tent box on top of the trailer. Got the awning set up, big tarp. We've had quite a few thunderstorms today, so we thought we'd better put a decent cover over everything. That's our little setup. When we first arrived, this little spot was empty. Now, I'll pan around. Filled. Mostly by Dutch. But it's a lovely spot. Our farmhouse breakfast, traditional style. Going to capital Slovenia today, Ljubljana. We just climbed to the highest point, which is where their castle is. I'll give you a quick guide around. Going up to the tower, the spiral staircase. top of the tower. You can see where they build castles in such high hills inside the mountains. You can't really see anyone coming. So this is how we get around and find everything in Glora's hand.
I have no idea where am I going.
Google Maps, and she still has no idea where we're going. As to all the fun.
Fountain.
For all the tourist areas. We're at Triple Bridges, Ljubljana. And they stay cool. They make their own raid in the square. I found someone who watched the England games and the Euros. I'm the only English person in here. This is going to be an interesting match. Well, we know how this match turned out, and I had to do the walk of shame.